Hey everybody, Louise Camilleri here from LC Natural Health and Beauty. Today we are going to unbox and make a fruit smoothie facial mask out of ingredients from your kitchen, natural ingredients that you can put on your skin. It goes into your body, so it's healthy and fantastic for you. With my automatic fruit mask machine that I just got in the mail. So we'll unbox everything, we're gonna make everything, slather it on, and see what happens. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here's the box, and we're going to open it up. Okay, box here, brush tool, the beauty book. Okay. Plastic insert. There's the machine inside with the measuring cup, the machine, and the face plate and spatula. Okay. So let's start here. Alrighty, so this is the actual face plate. The form that you use to put the fruit substance into, and then you let it congeal for a little bit, 5 minutes I think it is, and this is the mask that goes on your face. So I'm just going to put some alcohol on this. Just before we start. Let that set for a moment, and then I'll give it a clean. And the spatula to scoop it out. Also give that a little alcohol. Okay, so this is the lovely machine. And I believe it says fruit mask machine. And do this. This is where you will put the liquid into, press the button, and it comes out of the bottom there. Okay. That'll work for us. This is the measuring cup that you put your substance into. Here we have, I believe these are the collagen tablets. Effervescent mask, beautiful every day. So, give this a little cut. Yes. These are the collagen pills that actually help the mask to form. So we'll use that momentarily. Oh, this is comes with the plug and the prong covers for safety. Okay, hello. There we go. All right. It will attach that momentarily. And your brush. This is to clean the machine with. And the beauty book with instructions. Oh, and it's actually a recipe card as well. It tells you all the types of fruits and vegetables. Grain, you can use tea as well. And the different types of masks you can do. This machine apparently is incredible. You can do oat masks, caffeine masks, which would be great to reduce inflammation, puffiness. But today we're going to do a fruit mask. Yay! Okay, let's get started. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is actually put together my fruit smoothie concoction. So these fruits have all been washed, and I'm just going to put them into my little portable blender here and mulch them all up. So we'll start there. Watermelon is fantastic for the skin, full of lycopene, just like in tomatoes, and natural water. Love that. I've got some golden berries. Great. Start with just a few. Some strawberries. Delicious looking. And a couple grapes. Red grapes, you got it. Resveratrol. Great for the skin. It's also in wine, but let's do, we're making a fruit smoothie this time, so let's do it this way. Oh, and I'm also going to put in some beet latte, but let me just get a little bit of water just to start the emulsifying process a little easier. And we'll put our powder in once it gets emulsified a little bit. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to add my beet latte powder with turmeric, which is also great for the skin. Anything that's good for inside of the body is great for outside. Now I put some of this already into my smoothie that I drank this morning. This is a fantastic product if anyone's interested in that. Okay, moving forward. Okay, now for the machine. Now, I plugged it in and didn't realize girlfriend starts talking right away. So, let's see what she'll say as soon as I turn it on. It was quite a shock, but it's all right. Here we go.
Welcome to use Smart Fruit Facial Mask Machine. Please of pure water.
60 mils of water. There we go.
Please of pure water. Please of the nutrient solution.
Nutrient solution. 20 mils of that. Yes, girl.
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
Collagen peptide.
Please wait while processing.
Da 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 da. Okay, she's buzzing. I think she's ready. And we pour out the mask. Press the button and pour.
Please put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
Yes, honey. Press, press, press. Still gooing out. I think you're supposed to swirl it all together.
Please put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
Done. First, any air bubbles. Great. Now you let it set.
Please put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
Okay. Now I'm going to clean. I'm going to put this, let it sit for a moment. Maybe put it in the fridge. And that should be everything. Let it sit. Oh, it's already congealing. Great. Okay.
the top.
She does like to go on. Okay.
Please wait while processing.
Oops. Come clean, honey. Oof. Jeez. Yikes. Whoa. So this is just a little shot of the mask cooling and congealing, and the machine is now cleaning. So you clean it afterwards because there's all kinds of, you know, collagen gunk mask stuff, congealed mask at the bottom there. So this is the light that shows that it's cleaning. There we go. Okay, so we'll let that set. Might put it in the fridge, and we'll go from there. Back in a flash. Hi, Louise here again. Okay, the mask has congealed in the fridge. I put it in for about 5 minutes, and here it is. Look at that. Looks delicious and gorgeous. Okay, so before I take it out, scoop it out of the tray, I just wanted to show you that this was some of the juice left over from the mask. This is what I used in it. And again, what goes on the skin goes into the body. What goes into the body affects your skin. So after you juice it, smear it on your face, you can drink it. Great. So full of nutrients, wonderful for you. And there are also some other little accessories you can purchase with that kit, which I thought was great. So that one did the whole face mask, but you can also purchase these little individual trays for a hand mask. This, I believe, is a neck mask. It goes on the neck. You can make your little gel for that. An eye mask. A nipple areola mask. Not sure. Let's put that down. Oh, this is wonderful. Nose mask for on top of the nose. A lip mask. I can't wait to do this one. If you guys want to see a video on this, let me know. Or any one of these, I'll do it. But the lip mask looks great. Imagine a lovely strawberry or even caffeine. No, not to take down puffiness. To take lines and wrinkles, anti-inflammatory, chamomile. Oh yeah, there's some great essential oils and stuff you can use on this. But beautiful fruit masks for the lips. Of course, the ever so wonderful under eye masks for both eyes, which will be great. And the other side hand mask. So I can do a video on any one of those for you and even include some recipes, but let's get on to the face mask. Now, excuse this area I'm in right now, but apparently you have to put it on. I've seen other people put it on and they stand up straight in the area they were filming in and it all just drops to the ground because it's very fragile. So I'm gonna put it on, lay back and relax for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, here we go. So here's the mask in the tray. Now apparently you just go around the edges. Oh, there you see, and you lift. You lift the mask ever so gently. So you can see how it is right here. Yep, and I'm gonna put it down and pull it off and put it on my face. There we go. All congealed. Ooh, I had it in the fridge, nice and cold. Oh man, oh, that feels great. Wow. Woo, that feels wonderful. Looks scary, but here I go. Laying back, 10 minutes. Alrighty. Fruit mask. Make yourself at home, comfortably, with all the ingredients that you know that you put in here. Good for the face. Oh, I'm resting it on the eyes, under the eyes. It's so cooling when you put it in the fridge. Oh, this feels wonderful. Oh my goodness, 15 minutes. Oh, this is great. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Laying back. Oh, I'll turn you off. So here we go. Bye. Okay, I just wanted to add a few things because I love this. Okay, I'm gonna take it off carefully. Oh, whew, look at that. Oh my goodness. Not only was it tasty, it was cooling. Oh my gosh, so refreshing. I just had to say a few things afterwards. I lay down for 5 minutes. It was great. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, my face just feels nice. It feels moisturized. I'm sure there are so many like papaya extracts, things you can add in here to just really soak into the cells of the skin, the layers of the skin to get into the cells to just nourish and moisturize. But it really felt good, just so cooling. The mask was amazing. I can't wait to do eyes, neck, everything, lips. This was absolutely incredible. So really, really recommend it to eat and to put on your face. Amazing. Loved it.